Everyone give a big hand for the Open Source Awards! Wow.
Take a breath, take a breath.
This has been a very exciting year in React open source, but we have to say every last 5 years have been really exciting years in React open source. But this year, we've made some real breakthroughs.
Ooh. Nice bridge.
Yes. If you look at the things that are like happening right now, like all of these libraries that were the contestants for the breakthrough of the year, everything solves a different problem, but one of them was a major breakthrough in a way that we were not able to do before.
Could not comprehend.
Could not comprehend. We know what it is. You don't know what it is. Would you like to find out?
A drum roll, please.
Can we have a drum roll, like a CSS drum roll, like level 5 drum roll? Can we have level 5? All right, can we bring it up, 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 bring it up?
Immer! Michelle, where are you?
Oh.
Michelle.
Hey, there's Michelle.
Hey, Michelle. Hey, congratulations. Good job.
Thanks.
Good job.
Thanks, folks. Awesome.
It's my honor to present to you your award.
Thank you.
Speech.
Speech.
Oh, speech. Well, Immer is good German for forever. And most people do know me from Mobix. But if you don't like Mobix, I'm now still in your code base, probably. So at least observe all the things. And thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Congratulations to Michelle Westrath for the breakthrough of the year. Immer.
So for the next category, is really an exciting category. It's the most exciting category, actually, I think. We have 4 nominees. It's Remount, Code Server, VX, and Constant. I know, again, who the winner is. I can see it right there on the next slide. It's really
Would you like to find out who the winner is?
Help me out with a drum roll, please.
All right, let's go for it.
3, 2, 1. VX!
Nice!
Woo! Is there a representative from VX right here? No? All right. I would like to tell everyone to check out VX. VX is a library that makes it really easy to merge, combine D3 charts into React. So if you're making any kind of charts in your app, check out VX. It's the most exciting thing.
I'm very, very happy for VX, but I'm also a little bit mad because I contribute to a other charting library called Victory, and I think it should have won.
It didn't Victory.
No. Oh, congratulations, VX. Now let's go to the next category immediately. This is my favorite category. The fun side project of the year. Again, I'm a bit salty because nobody nominated my fun side projects, but you know, you win some, you lose some.
Maybe you're not that fun.
Right. And which one of these would you like to see win the fun side projects of the year? Give it up, whoop, for React 95. Whoop, whoop. I don't think that can be topped. Congratulations, React 95! Do we have anybody from the team over here? Come on over.
Yes.
There should really be like music, and you know, you guys should be crying. There should be a bunch of people over there, sort of whooping. Yeah, thank you for whooping.
An elbow to say congratulations.
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
So be proud.
Don't cry, man, don't cry.
It's hard. Well, thank you.
Say something about the project.
It's a pleasure to be here, and this trophy means a lot to us because it's only a side project we do in our free time, so it means a lot for us, and PR are welcome. So I'm not sure if React 95 is ready for production, but if you can use them.
Can it run Internet Explorer?
What?
Can it run Internet Explorer?
I think so. I think so.
Yes. I'll delete all my virtual machines and start using that for testing from now on.
Sounds solid.
All right. Congratulations, guys.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
And as you can tell, we only had 2 applicants in this category, which does not in any way diminish the victory of React 95, but it does bring us to an interesting point, which is that we should do more fun things.
Make the web fun again. We just heard it a few talks back. Make the web fun again. So help us, audience. Please.
You are developers, you are front-end developers, you have so much creativity. Don't just build boring forms. Use that power for art.
Okay.
All right.
So the next category is the most impactful contribution to the community. So what stuff can we use, all of us? So the first nominee is it's a hard word, React, right? You say React. React testing library. Detox, React navigation, and downshift. It's all fantastic projects. But which one is the most impactful, Yanni?
Wait, is there 2 Can't See Dots projects on this list? God damn it, what are the odds that Can't See Dots will win this? Well, let's see.
50%.
Give it up for React Testing Library! Kent.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you. So I think my favorite feature of React Testing Library is that it makes, when you use React Testing Library, it makes your applications more accessible. And that's really important to me, and it should be important to you. And so I hope that you enjoy using it.
We will enforce it.
Thank you, Kent. No, and thank you, Kent, for all of your amazing contributions to the React ecosystem, all the open source libraries, all the work you do, the training. It is so valuable to all of us, so thank you, Ken, from the bottom of our hearts. Oh. Now, I believe this might be the final category. Am I wrong? All right.
Let's see.
Let's see what happens. Who can tell? So for this category, the biggest productivity booster, we've had a lot of great candidates for this. We have Formic, React Cosmos, MDX Deck, and React Table. And I have to say, this particular winner I do have to agree with because it has saved me so much time and effort. Would you like to hear what it is? Yes, come on. Okay, no. I'm not going to tell you for that kind of applause. Do you remember the clapping standard system? Come on, give us something back here. Like, we're dying over here.
At least 3. At least 3.
At least 3. Come on, can we just start with like a 3 clap? Come on. Give it up for MDX Deck! Now, do we have anybody from the team here? We have Tim.
Oh,
okay, before Tim gets
He's
here,
taking it.
I gotta say, I'm also mad as hell about this one because I also work on Spectacle, which was the previous iteration of the same thing. So thanks, Tim, for ruining all of our dreams.
Thank you.
Here you go.
So yeah, Yanni already said that I ruined his dream. So what more can I do? No? MDX Deck was actually not created by me, but by Brent Jackson. And I just talked to him, and he wants to thank all the contributors and all the collaborators on MDX Deck and MDX. And that's it.
All right, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
So,
no, we have one extra prize left.
yeah, because there was no one here to pick it up.
Oh, can I take it?
Sure.
You already took all the prizes that nobody claimed for. Can I take that one?
Okay, then you can have one.
I've never won an award for anything that I've done. Please.
You've now won an award for being present.
Yes, that's what I want. I'm a white male in this industry. I just show up and I expect to be loved. Okay. Let's get back to the program. So, this open source awards is a thing that we do. It's not only for React, but go to osawards.com/React to find out more about it and to vote for next year's things. And with that, I would like to invite back to the stage Ellie Schutze.